Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off auto deposit Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to turn off auto deposit on Scotiabank, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up the Scotiabank application, then tap on sign in. Once you're inside this page, simply enter in your username or your card number, then tap on continue and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter it. And once you're inside the home screen of the Scotiabank app, now here what you need to do is simply tap on the more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you tap on more, tap on incurred e-transfer. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select manage the auto deposit option, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is choose the email or phone number linked to auto deposit. Then simply toggle auto deposit off by simply tapping on it and selecting off, and you will be able to confirm it, and now auto deposit is now disabled. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.